Aloha YouTube, it's your girl Naisha, back at it with another video. Oh my god! What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Naisha, back at it with another video. What the fuck? I forgot how I started my video before. Aloha YouTube, it's your girl Naisha, back at it with another video. And today, I'm here with a special guest. This moron, Brianna, you know. We've done like, what, one video together?
Yeah, and you didn't even post it.
Yeah. So, here we are for an official video. We're gonna do baking with N and B. Anyway, so first step, make sure you have all your clean stuff. Make sure you have all your supplies. Make sure you have all your supplies beforehand. And make sure you read the instructions, because that's always important unless you're a pro, like we're not. Where is this? Tits, what are we using? We're doing 13 by 19. So 350, preheat the oven.
Take pictures. We're
preheating the oven. So next, make sure you have all your ingredients. Get the, oh, we don't even need water.
You have oil?
Shut up. Get the eggs. Grab them. Hurry.
How many?
2 eggs. There's eggs in there, right?
There's like 2.
Perfect. We only need them. Don't use that one. It's ugly. I'm so sorry. I offended him. He's sad. Make sure you get all your, like, these thingies. I'm pretty sure the water one is a cup.
I'll open it. I'm opening it.
No!
Yes.
Alright, go. So we don't even need this 3rd cup one. I washed it for nothing.
Now I'm taking it out of the cap.
Alright, be careful, because we have to do this stuff precise. This is how you make the perfect one. Be careful, you psychotic.
What? I'm fine. You should have used scissors.
I have nails for a reason.
Yeah, but it's not cut perfectly.
Doesn't need to be cut perfectly.
To me, it does.
Shut up.
Shut down.
I wish I could. Okay, so now this part, this is what I did.
It's the whisk. Oh, I thought that was a big one.
No, don't touch it. Good, it's in here. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to take all the clumps out, because that's exactly how you're going to get the perfect mixture. Make sure it's not soft, you know. All that jazz.
Like a perfect mixture?
Well, there's nothing in here yet, but you just want to make sure all the clumps are out, because this is how I started my cake, and it came out literally perfect. Next, you want to put the wet ingredients in. So we're going to do 3 tablespoons of water.
I don't know what I'm doing.
This is a tablespoon. Clean that and fill it with water.
It's clean already.
Me?
I'll just wet it. Dry it with my shirt.
Sterile.
Did you say fill it up halfway?
Fill it up all the way. We have to have 3 of them.
Oh no! It made me laugh. And it was filled all the way up to the top. That's why it was dripping out.
That's the point. You're supposed to have it filled up to the...
Resay.
Okay, now we have to get our vegetable oil and fill it with 1/2 cup.
Gotta do it over the thing, because you know you don't want any oil to fall out onto your countertop.
Yeah, you do.
Wait. No, you don't.
Okay, now at this point, we should start to mix.
Me.
No, I'll start.
Not me. I'm just go to my phone again.
Yeah, that's all you're good for.
I'm the one that decided to make these foods.
I was gonna make them yesterday when I made the cake, or the other day when I made the cake, whatever. So you want a bate chocolate.
Not.
Okay, we also have to put the eggs in. Oh, this was a bad idea. You're not supposed to do brownies with whisks. Now we know why. Alright, hold on. I gotta
I'll
fix.
stick my finger in it.
No!
It's clean!
Look, you took 4 for a 9. Here, use this.
That scared the iffy out of me.
Okay, come on.
Hold on, you gotta get every little smidgen back.
Don't stir it. I gotta put the other egg in there.
That was not good to eat, guys. Never do that.
Why? What are we gonna get? Salmonella? Sorry, this isn't the 3rd grade. That rumor is over. Look at this. How cute. Should we put it in?
Yeah, make it real juicy, like. Can I mix now?
Ew, don't let it go in. Ew, that looks like a freaking...
Stop, you're gonna make it go everywhere.
Ew.
Ew,
Idiot.
We don't need it. I'm mixing now.
Okay, go ahead, but I'm finishing it. Make sure you keep the instructions because you might need them later on. To check how long you put it in for.
I don't like that thing. This is chocolate.
Bate, bate, chocolate. Bate, bate, chocolate. Bate, bate.
I love Dora. I'm kidding.
I used to watch Dora all the time, but I still retain to know Spanish.
You know what? I got called Dora, so.
I remember that.
And I got called a lot of things.
I'm like,
Throw back.
if you watch this video, you know who you are. Just imagine you watch my video, I'd throw up.
Here, you can finish the rest. My eyes hurting.
Well, I was gonna finish anyway. You just told them not to. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Fun fact, it's it's better mixed this way than the way that I was eating it before.
Make sure you go all the way to the bottom to make sure there's no powder, you know? No powder anywhere. Stir all the way through. And you just gotta do it like kind of aggressive, but it's like less watery than cake. So
I came in like a wrecking ball. What do you need?
nothing.
Oh.
Now we just want to pour it into your 13 by 9 pan. Might not look like a lot, but it kind of is because you gotta wait for it to like rise and all that jazz, you know.
And that's the worst part about it, because I just want to eat it right away.
You just hear my mom
Choking in the background.
bless you.
I thought it was a cough. Chocolate, chocolate.
Watch it. What even time is it?
It's time for us to get a watch. It's 7:47 and I only can stay until 10.
That's like 2 hours.
You know what? 2 hours go by pretty fast if you think about it. That's too big of a pan.
No, I just told you.
I forgot to butter it.
We don't need to, moron.
You see what she calls me?
Take tips. How to keep friends for life.
So why don't we need...
It's a non-stick pan. Did you not?
I mean, why don't we need a smaller one?
Because it's gonna rise. I'll rise up. I'm just kidding.
Alright,
even-
like the dead. I can't
I
say
didn't even know that. Neither can I. But
Shut up, yeah, you can say better than me.
I'm like when you just
When you just say it so you
when
can
you
get a compliment.
Yep, when you insult yourself so you can get a compliment.
Alright, hold on. I got this.
I was gonna do that after I finished all of it.
Go, you grab it and I'll shake it.
Grab what? Show everybody what you're doing.
I'm shaking.
Show them the technique.
How you make it so it can flatten out? You just.
But what
shake
about
it.
all these, baby?
We could just eat it.
That's not sterile. We're gonna get salmonella. Why would we gonna get salmonella? Sorry, this isn't the 3rd grade. That rumor is over.
Drop it.
Make sure you don't get the thingies on the thing. 14 whole minutes. Wow. Come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna put the rest.
I'm like, put them in the little corners. That's not working.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, now I can just eat it.
I'm like,
It's okay.
no. Remember that episode of Hannah Montana whenever he's like, I like my eggs crunchy?
You know
He
what?
dropped the egg
You're
hard.
let's pound it so all the bubbles will get out of it.
That was my next tip. Now you exposed my secret on how to get the perfect brownies.
Do you pop the bubbles at the top?
No. Whatever, we can just eat the rest, I suppose. So the other one said recommended, what, 23 to 28 or 38 minutes. So this is 22 to 25 minutes. So we'll do like 20 minutes and then we'll check it. Then we'll be giving you the last secret tip for perfect baked.
What if you just dropped my phone inside of the oven and it just stayed there for like the whole time I was cooking and I didn't realize?
How wouldn't I realize that it was in the oven?
I don't know.
We'll be back in like 20 minutes.
She's
but
so
you'll
much
think
taller than me.
That it's quick because it'll be quick. Boom!
Chicka chicka wow wow.
Wait, we gotta clap so that whenever we clap again, that it'll go back. Okay, ready, go. We are just seconds away from it being done. It's done. Now, it looks perfect. Moment of truth. I suppose everyone's wondering where Brianna went. Well, she's dead. Anyways,
It looks delicious.
don't touch them.
My hair is down. In the other video, it was up. I mean, in the same video, whatever. Same thing, right? There, it's up again. Roll it, roll it.
How about we don't get hair on the brownies? Okay, so we gotta test it. Don't touch it. What should I use? A knife. Alright. I'll use
My hair is
weighted
too much.
knife because it's cute.
What? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, I'll see in the footage.
It's perfect.
See, look at that. Perfect. Literally. No. Clearly the sides are fine, but...
Oh my god, it's so soft.
See, look at it. It peels right away from the sides because it's a non-stick pan. Perfect. Excellent. I'll capture the beauty in 2 seconds. Look at that beauty.
I'm like, me?
Go home. Ew! Perfect. Except for that little slice, but you know, had to test it. But you can see it actually coming off of the sides itself because guess what? Non-stick pans for the win. Except for that piece, because Brianna doesn't know how to pour good.
I'm sorry. What one? What piece?
Look at that. We'll be back whenever it's cool to test it and let you know how it goes. Okay, bye.
Not good.
Okay, but can we just appreciate how perfectly that came out? Like, look at the bottom. Non-stick pans for the win. Hashtag not sponsored. You know what would be perfect?
What?
A glass of milk.
Yes.
Behind the scenes.
Hold on, gotta get this artsy picture going.
Casual, so. But yeah, these are perfect. This is how. But oh my gosh, this is perfect. Bacon Queen, am back. There will be more baking videos, of course, because it's the only good thing I know how to do. And that's all for now. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, comment, you know. If you want to see more videos with Brianna, because, you know, she's never in enough videos.
And I have to be.
Comment down below. Or just like, because, you know, I barely get any comments anyway. But I'll see you. Let me put my brownie down. Whenever I post a video.
Bloopers.
Baking with idiot! Don't open the oven.
Baking with idiot.
NB, let's start a collab channel. Woo! What is this? Oh, that's water. It said 3 cucharas sopora de agua. I got scared because I didn't know what that meant.
Why do you read it in Spanish?
Because I didn't see that the bottom was Spanish.
I have people to text.
I choked on a brownie and it just came up, so it's now sitting in my mouth. Ew!
I'm gonna text.